I am guessing that you did not know either, but many countries have cherished traditions of making gingerbread during Christmas, each with its own twist on the classic treat. Here are some notable ones. Germany, known for its Lebkuchen, a spiced gingerbread often shaped into hearts and stars. The city of Nuremberg is famous for its gingerbread, and many German Christmas markets feature elaborately decorated gingerbread cookies. Sweden, Swedish gingerbread, or pepperkaker, is thin, crispy, and often cut into hearts, stars, or goat shapes. These cookies are commonly enjoyed with mulled wine, glühwein, or coffee during the holiday season. United Kingdom. The British have a long-standing tradition of baking gingerbread houses and cookies. They often make gingerbread men, decorated with icing and candy, for children to enjoy during the holiday season. Poland. Pierniki from the city of Tarynia is Poland's version of gingerbread, which is thick, spiced, and often filled with fruit preserves or chocolate. It's a Christmas favorite and can be molded into various festive shapes. United States. Gingerbread houses and cookies are a beloved part of American Christmas traditions, often decorated with icing, candy, and even gumdrops. Families make gingerbread houses as a fun holiday activity. Norway. The Norwegians make pepperkaker, similar to Swedish gingerbread, and they love creating gingerbread towns or pepperkakebyen, which are detailed and extensive gingerbread displays. Austria. Austrian gingerbread, or Lebkuchen, is similar to the German variety, often crafted into intricate shapes and decorated with nuts, dried fruit, and icing. It's a staple at Austrian Christmas markets. In Italy, gingerbread takes on a slightly different form with pampapato, a spiced and nutty bread often enriched with honey, candied fruits, and sometimes a touch of chocolate. This festive delicacy, originating from the central regions like Umbria and Tuscany, embodies the warmth of Italian holiday traditions and pairs wonderfully with a glass of sweet wine or espresso. While not always shaped into figures or houses, the aromatic blend of spices and flavors captures the holiday spirit in every bite. Each of these countries has its own unique recipe and style, adding to the cultural richness of gingerbread as a holiday treat.